How to report suspicious activity on Indodax. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and select the Help Center option. Under the Help Center, you will find Customer Service, Contact Us, and Live Chat options. To report any suspicious activity, such as unauthorized transaction, phishing messages, or unusual login attempts, you can either submit a detailed report through customer service or contact us or directly use live chat to communicate with the support team in real time. Include relevant details such as transaction ID, screenshots, or account information to help the team investigate efficiently. After submitting your report, the Indodax support team will review your case and provide guidance on securing your account. For added security, immediately change your password if you notice any unusual activity and ensure two-factor authentication is enabled. Now you know how to report suspicious activity on Indodax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.